Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how you can earn some interest on your cryptocurrencies. So if you want to invest into cryptocurrencies, you can convert some of your fiat money, which would be euros or dollars or any other fiat currency, into a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB or Ripple. There are many more coins out there. In this video, I will show you how to earn some interest on these coins by using the Binance Earn functionality. So you would go to the Earn tab on Binance. Here you can see the different products they offer for earning interest. For example, the coin USD Tether gives you between 2.86 and 3.1% interest per year. Then the USDC coin, which is another stable coin pegged to the US dollar, gives you a whopping 6.53%. Then the FDUSD coin only gives you 1.4%. All three are stable coins. Now we get into the actual cryptocurrencies, which are volatile, which can decrease in value or increase in value. The BNB coin, which is the Binance chain official coin, it gives you between 0.05% and 35.4%. But there's a lot more to it, since there are different products you can choose. You can choose Simple Earn, which gives you these low interest rates, or you can pick Dual Investment, which gives you much higher interest rates. However, I personally don't use Dual Investment, since that's a bit more complicated and you can even lose money from this. Usually staking is not risk-free, but I have made very good experiences with staking. So I currently have some BNB, USDC, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, and a few other coins. So next we will take a look at ETH, which is Ethereum. Here you'll get Simple Earn only 0.79%, which is pretty bad. I personally recommend you to do ETH staking, which gives you 2.66%. This used to be a bit higher, it used to be around 3%, but this is still okay compared to the Simple Earn, which is not really worth it. And Solana gives you a lot more. In Simple Earn, it gives you between 0.24% till 5.6%. But there's more to it. You can check out these further rates. They have flexible and fixed rates, which means that in flexible, your cryptocurrencies can be redeemed at any point, but in fixed, they cannot simply be redeemed. So you have to wait the entire period until you can redeem them. The periods are between 30 and 120 days, and the longer you lock up your crypto, the more interest they will give you for this period. So we will check it out down here, calculate your crypto earnings. I have 1000 USD Tether. I'm interested in a flexible investment, so you would be getting here 2.86%. But since we were talking about Solana, we will select Solana. The Simple Earn is not worth it with only 0.24%, but if we switch to fixed investment, it will let us earn up to 5.6%. The duration for this is 120 days. We can view all to see that for 120 days we get 5.6%, for 90 days we get 4.5%, for 60 days we get 3.9%, for 30 days we get 2.99%, and for 14 days we only get 1.59%. These percentages are all per year, so after the period you don't get this percentage, but you get the fraction of the year percentage. So 120 days is about 1/3 of the year, so you get just 1/3 of 5.6% in 120 days. So that's all there is to it basically. If you look at Bitcoin, you only get Simple Earn, which is basically nothing. Then WBETH, which is basically Ethereum, it's also the same as Ethereum, 2.66% flexible, so that's pretty good. There are a bunch of more coins you can use. For example, the Celestia coin gives you up to 10% in Simple Earn for a duration of 120 days, which is also locked staking. So you can look at the rates here. I personally would always go for the longest rate because that gives you the highest interest. And yeah, if you want to buy some cryptocurrencies, remember that you can use the Earn functionality to earn some extra income. The income is also paid out daily. On Binance, your interest is paid out onto the spot wallet. Alright, we're in the mobile app where we want to stake 93 euros of Polkadot. So we will go to the earn page and click on DOT. Here we can select the plan we want to choose. First we try 120 days, but it says here that not enough balance is available. So we will go to 90 days. So we can stake the full amount of 16.39 Polkadot. Then we click next. We check off all the checkboxes and confirm. Now we have successfully enabled staking for our Polkadots. Now that's all there is to it. You just have to wait and enjoy getting interest on your Polkadot coins. If you redeem early during locked staking, you will lose all the interest accrued in the whole period of locked staking. Now, if you want to repeatedly perform staking automatically, you can turn on the auto subscribe function. Not only for locked staking, but also for flexible staking. This allows you to enjoy the compound interest effect. Occasionally, you can also resubscribe the flexible staking to locked staking to get a higher amount of interest. I hope this clarified how to earn some extra income using cryptocurrencies on Binance. If you liked the video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you next time.